Introducing the EasyFit Outdoor Connectable Lighting System, the simple, flexible way to transform your outdoor space. Designed with low voltage technology, EasyFit is safe for families, pets and everyday use. Choose from spotlights to highlight key features, wall lights for added security, decorative feature or even post bollard and festoon lights to create the perfect atmosphere. And the best part? Installation is quick and straightforward, no electrician required. Start by unboxing your lights and placing them exactly where you want them in your outdoor space. Next, simply connect each light to the main cable. As you go, neatly hide the cables. If needed, you can connect your accessories like a dusk till dawn sensor or a PIR sensor. Once everything is in place, connect your transformer and plug into power. It's that simple. You can also connect multiple main cables together or add extension cables to expand your lighting. So sit back, relax and enjoy your outdoor lighting day and night.